Namaskar everybody, and I'm going to be speaking to you about the powerful sound that's associated with our breath. Breath has, the ancient Swara yogis have always understood and described the sound of breath as hamsa. People have went ahead and described it in various poetic ways. That is an angel, it is some apsaras, and it is one of the name of the apsaras which is Hamsa. So fanciful things which are polluted and have not been understood properly. The ancient Swara yogis, like when I have been deeply into my breathing practices, or if you just focus on your breath, you will know very, very clearly that the outgoing breath, when you breathe out, you will have a sound which is called hum. And when you breathe in, it will be so. Isn't it? When you breathe in, hum, and when you breathe out, it is so. So it's called as hamsa. The inhalation is hum, the exhalation is, the incoming is so, the outgoing is hmm. When you breathe out, hmm, hum, and when you breathe in, so right now, if you look at it, there's a sound of the waves. But when you, right now, the place where you are in, I want you to pause the video for a moment and breathe in. Inhale. And you see. So that's what hamsa means, the sound of breath. Have a great day everyone, and it's so powerful that the science of Swara has a secret of this entire existence. The people who have practiced Swara Yoga deeply have understood sound in a very powerful way. If you look at the entire Vedas, there is a particular sound and then there is a particular form. Now if you happen to see, there is an instrument called oscilloscope. If you put a particular kind of a sound to it, it will create a corresponding form to it. The ancient seers, before this oscilloscope was discovered, oscilloscope was discovered what, maybe just a few hundred years back, not even so much. But the ancient sages understood the relationship between sounds in the existent and its corresponding form. It is this relationship between the sound and the form that you call as Vedas. What is Vedas is nothing but the relationship between the sound and form. Every particular sound and its particular form. Om, Om. The different kinds of gods that have come, lords which have come, particularly because of the sound energy. So this is a completely fantastic science. If you are someone who loves to explore life not by textbooks, but by sheer practice, but by sheer knowing directly, then Swara Yoga is one of the best ways to experience life. It's very profound, it's very deep, and it's very, very subtle. And I will talk to you more about the subtleness in my next video. Good day.